In this video, I'll help you decide whether to subscribe to Perplexity or ChatGPT by comparing their speed and user experience. I'm starting by looking at which platform is faster and more intuitive for a daily workflow. I've noticed that Perplexity is built for speed, delivering sourced answers almost immediately to help me find facts without any friction. On the other hand, I find that ChatGPT takes a more conversational approach, which can feel a bit slower initially but gets much smoother as the dialogue continues. Now, let's talk about speed in a professional context where I have to budget time for checking and correcting AI output. In my experience, Perplexity is consistently faster for short, well-sourced answers because it exposes its logic and provides sources directly in the interface. This makes it much easier for me to verify facts quickly compared to other tools. Moving down to user experience, I see that Perplexity offers a minimalist, search-like interface that backs up every statement with citations. I like to think of Perplexity as a high-tech card catalog, while ChatGPT feels more like a helpful librarian you can chat with. ChatGPT is definitely more flexible and conversational, making it better suited for long-form tasks and creative brainstorming. So, which one is actually better for you? If I'm looking for deep research, citations, and quick fact-checking, I'm definitely choosing Perplexity. However, if I need help with writing, coding, or open-ended brainstorming, I find that ChatGPT is the superior choice. Ultimately, both tools are complementary, so I often use them together to get the best of both worlds. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.